Hi there, students. Honorificabilitudinitatibus. That's a good word. Okay, this is one for you collectors of long words. This is a noun. This was originally actually used by Shakespeare. Let's see. It's a really, really long word, meaning invincible gloriousness, the the quality of being able to achieve honors. Yeah. So honorificabilitudinitatibus. Okay. So he is a possessor of honorificabilitudinitatibus. Okay. He's somebody who has that characteristic. I think this word was used by Shakespeare. It comes from a Love's Labour's Lost, to show people, to demonstrate the people being long-winded and being pompous and using incredibly long and complicated words. Okay, so the meaning of this is being able to achieve honours, the honourableness of somebody. Yeah. You can also actually use this as a person's title. I see his honorificabilitudinitatibus has arrived. You can also use it as a name, or just as a very long word as well, to talk about somebody who is in love with their own voice and uses 20 words when you can only use 2. Okay, so, well, I hope I'm not going to be considered honorificabilitudinitatibus by the way I've explained the meaning of this word. Okay, so this is a very rare word. It's a humorous word. It's a jokey word. It's for you collectors of long words. So let's try it one more time. Honorificabilitudinitatibus. Honorificabilitudinitatibus. There we go. You see, easy for you to say. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Honorificabilitudinitatibus, meaning the honourableness or the ability to be honourable.